Hi, this is Gary here in San Francisco, under lockdown, week 4, and it looks like we still have a few weeks to go. Fortunately, everyone on the team here is healthy and eager to return to the shop and get back to work. I'd like to thank you for your support during this time and for all your orders. We're extremely grateful. This means our team will all have a good job waiting for them when we're able to get through this, and our sewers will be super busy catching up when we get back. You know, just before we went into lockdown, we just launched our Hitch Crossbody Brief and the limited edition Canvas City Slicker, both of which are still selling well despite the long shipping delay. We're also finishing up our community design packable bag collection, which we were supposed to start shipping in April. In addition, we had a couple of very nice mystery cases that are all set to launch in May and June. So when we get back, we'll be very busy. So I want to thank you again for supporting our small business. Please stay well, keep in touch, and let me know if there's anything we can do for you. Thanks for watching.